Ever wondered how to crack the code of real estate investing in 2024? Welcome to the first step on a potentially life-changing journey. We're diving deep into the world of real estate investing, a realm that has brought financial freedom and wealth to many. Real estate investing isn't a new kid on the block. It's been around for a while, but its popularity has skyrocketed in recent years. More and more individuals are realizing its incredible potential, and for a good reason. Real estate investing offers a wealth of benefits, from providing a steady income stream to diversifying your investment portfolio, and even cushioning against economic downturns. It's a tangible asset that you can see, touch, and utilize, making it an attractive choice for many. To give you a glimpse into the world of real estate investing, let's take a moment to share a story about Sam. Sam was your average guy, working a 9-to-5 job, living paycheck to paycheck. He had dreams of financial freedom, but they seemed far out of reach. Then he stumbled upon real estate investing. With no experience and little money in his pocket, Sam took the leap. Fast forward a few years, Sam is now a successful real estate investor, enjoying the fruits of his hard work and determination. His journey wasn't easy, but he proves that anyone can start from scratch and achieve success with the right mindset and strategies. So what's the secret? How did Sam and countless others unlock the potential of real estate investing? And most importantly, how can you do it too? Well, that's what we're here to explore. But don't worry, you don't need to be a real estate mogul or a financial whiz to get started. Whether you're interested in direct ownership, real estate investment trusts, crowdfunding, or real estate funds, there's a path for everyone. And we're here to guide you through each step of the way. So, if you're sitting there wondering if real estate investing is for you, keep watching. You're about to discover a world of opportunities, and who knows, you might just be the next Sam. There's more than one path to the peak of the real estate mountain. Indeed, the real estate landscape is vast, offering multiple avenues for investment, each with its unique characteristics, risks, and returns. First up, we have direct ownership. This is the most traditional and hands-on way of investing in real estate. It involves purchasing a property, such as a house or an apartment, and then renting it out or selling it for a profit. The risks are high with direct ownership, as you're responsible for maintaining the property, finding tenants, and dealing with any issues that arise. However, the returns can be significant if you manage it well and the property appreciates in value. Next, let's talk about real estate investment trusts, or REITs. These are companies that own or finance income-producing real estate. When you invest in a REIT, you're essentially buying shares in these companies. Much like investing in stocks, the risk is lower compared to direct ownership, as you're diversifying your investment across multiple properties. Plus, REITs are required by law to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders as dividends, offering a steady income stream. Moving on, we have real estate crowdfunding, a relatively new player in the field. It allows you to pool your money with other investors to fund real estate projects. It's a great way to dip your toes into real estate investing without needing a lot of capital. However, the risk is also high, as the success of your investment depends on the success of the project. Lastly, there are real estate funds. These are mutual funds that invest in securities offered by public real estate companies. They provide diversification and professional management, but come with management fees and the risk of market volatility. Remember, each of these paths has its own set of challenges and rewards. What works for one person might not work for another. It's all about finding the path that aligns with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment style. Choosing your path is the first step in your real estate investing journey. The real estate market can be a labyrinth. It's time to learn the ropes. The real estate market, much like any other investment market, isn't static. It ebbs and flows, influenced by a myriad of factors. To navigate this labyrinth successfully, you need to understand these factors. First and foremost, location. You've heard the phrase, location, 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 right? Well, it's just as relevant today as it was when it was first coined. A property's value can be significantly influenced by its geographical position. Is it in a booming city or a rural area? Is it close to amenities like schools, hospitals, and shopping centers? How about accessibility to public transport? These are the kind of questions you need to consider. Next up are market trends. These could be local, regional, or even national trends that might affect the value of your real estate investment. It's essential to keep an eye on these trends, as they could have a significant impact on your investment's profitability. For instance, is there a surge in demand for rental properties in the area you're looking at? Or perhaps there's an oversupply of properties, leading to lower prices. Then we have economic factors. These include interest rates, employment levels, and economic growth. When the economy is strong, people tend to buy homes, which drives up property prices. Conversely, during economic downturns, people might hold off on buying, which could lead to a drop in property values. And let's not forget about the importance of doing thorough research before making an investment. This includes studying the property's condition, understanding its potential for appreciation or rental income, and even getting to grips with any legal issues that might affect your investment. In short, the more you know about a property and its market, the better your chances of making a profitable investment. In the end, it all comes down to understanding the market. The real estate market isn't something you can conquer overnight. It takes time, effort, and a great deal of knowledge. But with the right approach and the right information, you can make it work for you. Understanding the market is key to making smart and profitable real estate investments. Don't forget about Uncle Sam when planning your real estate investments. Now, we've talked about choosing the right investment path, understanding the market, but what about the tax implications? It's a topic that often flies under the radar, but it's crucial to your bottom line as a real estate investor. Let's start with the basics. When you buy a property and rent it out, the rental income you receive is taxable. However, you can deduct a whole host of expenses from this income: the mortgage interest, property taxes, insurance, maintenance costs, and even depreciation. This can significantly reduce your taxable income and sometimes even turn it into a loss on paper. But don't let that word loss scare you. In the world of real estate investing, a loss can be a good thing. It's called a tax loss, and it can offset other income, reducing your overall tax liability. It's one of the ways real estate can provide a tax shelter, shielding some of your income from the taxman's grasp. And then there's capital gains tax. When you sell a property for more than you bought it for, you make a profit or a capital gain. This gain is subject to tax, but the rate depends on how long you've held the property. If you've held it for more than a year, you'll pay long-term capital gains tax, which is typically lower than your regular income tax rate. However, you can avoid paying capital gains tax altogether if you roll the proceeds from the sale into a new property. This is called a 1031 exchange, named after the section of the tax code that allows it. It's a powerful strategy that lets you build wealth more quickly by deferring taxes. Finally, let's not forget about depreciation recapture. When you sell a property, you may have to pay tax on the amount you've claimed for depreciation over the years. But like capital gains tax, there are strategies to reduce or even avoid this tax. In conclusion, tax laws can have a big impact on the profitability of your real estate investments. But with careful planning and the right strategies, you can minimize your tax burden and maximize your returns. Remember, in real estate investing, a little tax planning can go a long way. A mentor can be your guiding star in the vast sky of real estate investing. Those who've made their mark in real estate didn't get there by chance. They had mentors. These seasoned professionals can provide a wealth of wisdom, helping you avoid common pitfalls and guiding you towards proven strategies. Finding a good mentor isn't a task to be taken lightly. You'll want someone who has a track record of success and a passion for teaching. Look for mentors in real estate clubs, online forums, or even in the authors section of your favorite real estate book. Building a solid mentor-mentee relationship is essential. Be open to feedback, eager to learn, and always respectful of your mentor's time. Remember, a mentor isn't there to do the work for you. They're there to guide, to illuminate the path, and to provide invaluable insights. With the right mentor, you'll be well on your way to real estate investing success. So, are you ready to take the plunge into real estate investing? We've covered a lot today, from understanding the different paths like direct ownership, real estate investment trusts, crowdfunding, and real estate funds, to navigating the market and understanding the factors that affect real estate values and performance. We've talked about the tax implications and benefits, and the importance of having a real estate mentor to guide you along the way. Now it's time to put that knowledge into action. Start small, learn as you go, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you grow. Remember, every successful investor was once a beginner. With the right knowledge, guidance, and a dash of courage, you too can build your wealth and achieve financial freedom through real estate investing. Remember, every real estate mogul started as a beginner. Now it's your turn. Happy investing.